foods should I eat for optimal health? What's the best way for me to heal this particular issue? What emotional issue is the source of the migraines or constipation or arthritis? Hi, I'm Barbara Ireland. I'm a near-death experiencer who was given a profound gift during a life review about the powerful nature of our thoughts. In this video, I'm going to share a technique you can use tonight to receive answers on any health issue that's concerning you through dream incubation. I personally have had tremendous experiences, insights, answers from doing this, and I'm really excited to share this with you. First, I want to give a big thank you to all the subscribers and especially to people who've left comments. They really have touched me, and I want you to know that it's because of you that I put the effort in to make these videos. And every time before I create a video, I think about you and I connect with you. So thank you very much. For thousands of years, dreams have been an incredible source for healing. Now, people kind of poo-poo dreams now. They just think they're, just kind of garbage being thrown out in their heads. But the ancient Greeks and the ancient Egyptians took dreams really seriously. And more recently, the Swiss psychologist Carl Jung expressed enormous respect for the wisdom that can be found in dreams. So how can you use this amazing power that's your dreams to help heal some kind of illness or some physical imbalance? Or how can you get clarity on how you can be the healthiest version of you? The dream incubation process is one where you come up with a very clear question that you want information on, and then you dream that night, and you look at the dreams and you decipher them, and sometimes they're so clear they'll knock your socks off. So go get some paper, because here's what you're going to do. First, get really clear on the question you want to ask regarding your health. Here are some examples to get your mind working in the right direction. Show me what I need to know about my body or my health. Which foods should I eat for optimal health? Show me what I can do this week that would help my body or my health the most. Is there a hidden health issue that I don't yet know about that I could start healing now? What is the best way to heal, fill in the blank, whatever is bothering your body? What is the message that this arthritis or extreme PMS feelings or colitis or whatever it is you're dealing with, what is the message that imbalance is trying to tell you? Is this particular food, whatever it may be, or this medicine safe for my body? And what emotional issue is the source of the constipation, the migraines, the arthritis, poor eyesight, whatever it is bothering you? So come up with your question, make it very clear, write it down on a little slip of paper, and put it under your pillow. Be sure to get a pen and paper by your bedside. Make sure the pen works, or get your phone ready for you to talk into in the middle of the night to record your dreams. Something that's really helpful to do before sleep is to do some journaling about your day or talk it into your phone. But the idea is to get out all the gunk that's still in your head that happened that day. All the hassles, any conflicts at work, to-dos you might have floating in your brain for tomorrow. Get all this stuff out so that you can be a clear vessel to think about this question, this issue, and open yourself up for this guidance. And while you lay in bed, make the intention that you will receive clear answers to your question and repeat your question over and over as you're falling asleep. And also you can pray if you want, or put out the request to receive a clear answer. Don't be surprised if you wake up kind of a lot of times during the night. Could be 2 to 4 times with a lot of dreams. Write down every dream, even if you don't think it automatically connects with the question you had. Because sometimes you wake up and you start making connections and you have a different understanding about the dream when you wake up. You may just remember a scene or a character or maybe a feeling tone of the dream. You might not remember the full dream. That's okay. Write down anything that you do remember and title the dream. It's interesting. Sometimes the titles we give our dreams give us very strong clues as to the message that's trying to come through. And if you can't recall a dream at all or pieces of it, think about your mood upon awakening from each dream. How are you feeling? Even that can give you a very strong indication of an answer. Some of the dreams are going to be vague, some will be confusing, and then some will be blow away, clear as bell answers. Either way, you're going to get some information about this issue that you're having and some tips to get more clear answers instead of the more vague versions. As you're laying in bed and you're repeating your question, also include a request that your dreams are very clear. They're so clear, they're so straightforward and direct that even a third grader would understand the meaning of this dream. If it's still hard for you to decipher, then repeat this process the next night and request that you have more clarity about the dreams you had the first night. And a big thing is be sure to follow the advice you receive. If you had a dream where you were given a silver platter full of bananas and you had asked which foods would bring me optimum health, then that day go out and get some bananas because it's really clear, obviously. And the more times that you act on the advice you get, the more often you will get wise advice. You might also get, for instance, a dream of a friend who constantly criticizes you, a so-called friend, who constantly criticizes you. And you see this in the question you had asked is, what is the source of the arthritis in my neck? Well, if that's the case, take a break from seeing that so-called friend for a week and then see how the arthritis is doing. Some years ago, I was in a dream group for 5 years through the Pacific Northwest Center for Dream Studies. I incubated a lot of dreams on all aspects of my life. And I want to share you one that really stood out. It's not a health issue, but I want to give you an idea of what can happen. I had dream incubated about a relationship I was in, and I said, should I stay or should I go? Should I break up with this guy? I put it under my pillow. I repeated it. Just a little backstory is that owls were always my symbol for my higher power. So in the dream, I'm driving in a cab, and the cab driver is an owl. And at some point, he stops the car and he turns around and he says to me, "It's time to break up." It can be that clear. Now, I don't know if we are connecting with a spiritual source like God or a higher power, or if we are contacting our own creative unconscious. But either way, you receive communication that's very wise and very helpful. So if you want to start connecting, if you want to start opening up to that kind of communication with wise, helpful, loving advice, then dream incubation would be an amazing thing for you to try. Let me know in the comments if you're intending to do this or if you did do it, and maybe even what health issue you are planning to ask. And like this video if you did, share it with someone that you think could use this information, and please write comments because I love hearing from you and connecting with you that way. So here's to your greatest health. Thanks for watching.